Do you know what this is? What fish is this? What is it? It has three sides. One side there, one side here, and this side. Yes guys, welcome to the channel. Very unusual setting this afternoon. I am in my backyard doing a little cookout. Got some unusual fish and some corn, and so I'm gonna take you for the ride. It's gonna take you back to memories to see what I'm doing with those corn and those fish. They're ugly fish, but they're nice. This is where all the intestines were that were plucked out, and now I'm going to stuff it. Plucked out, rinsed. All these things were taken out, plucked out, rinsed. And look, what is it called? See? What is this? Look at it. What is the name of this fish? Anyone? Made the stuffing, and the stuffing I've made is some dry seasoning, no MSG in these, and some, what I call wet natural seasoning, garlic, and some onions diced, not so thinly diced because I like to taste chunks. And I've mixed that, a little bit pimento. A little bit of pimento is also in here. I don't know why I put pimento in there. Maybe because I like the flavor of it. Oh, I need some scallion and some thyme in there as well. Need some scallion and thyme in there as well too. Yes, let me get that. And I've washed it with that. It's my garlic. Guys, look. Stuffed with seasoning, look there. Thick and hard and crusty. Drop in the comments if you know what this is. What is this? What is this? Drop it in the comments if you know what this is. Yes guys, so just doing a little backyard cookout. Look at the fire. Beautiful. And guess what? What do I have here? Corn. We're going to put on the outside grill. It's not an electric grill, guys. It's a traditional grill, old time grill, wood fire. Don't want any fire underneath it, just smoke. Wow, memories of childhood. So it's cut there. You can roast it like that as well. Whew. Excuse the noise, guys. Excuse the noise. Oh, oops. The fish them look ugly. They look ugly. The chunk fish. They have 3 sides to them. I don't want to give the side that I'm going to hold it too much fire. Start to brown up already. This is enough, man. It's just a cold you want to. You just want to burn down. I just want it to burn down, guys. Burn down. Smell that. Roast corn and roast fish. Roast corn and roast fish cookout, guys. Roast corn and roast fish. Every little thing make up life.
Black.
You want them to be black? You can put them in the black.
Okay.
That's cooked, guys. Cook. Wow. Some persons like theirs charred. If that's what you like, you can put it directly in there, so, and it will come charred like that. Huh?
You can put in a fire for about
Put in a foil.
fire.
You can put it in the fire right there, so, if you want it to be charred or want it to be charred like the fish. And the fish, guys, tastes amazing. We just did a test of one of them. Unique flavor. Look at this, guys. Look here.
Yeah.
Look at that. So I want it a little char, so. We can put one more on it. Look at this, guys. Perfectly steamed, roasted. But if you want it charred, you can just drop it in the fire like I've done the others. This one, I'm gonna put some more in there. Watch here now that I have to drop. So if you want it roasted and charred like the fish, the outer section of this called chunk fish is tough. And so how do I know when it's ready? I know when it's ready because I can peel it back. See? I can peel it back. So it's ready. Just peel it back, it's ready. Right? This one too. ready. So you can just feed it back. Some I don't want it to dry out too much. See, ready. And this is ready too. I don't want it to be charred. I don't want it to burn up or burn up. But if you want it, you can always put it in the fire and do that. But this one perfect with steam. So I like it with a little butter. Wow. Put it in the fire. Hot, nice, hot. Wow. Guys, how it comes off. Guys, how it comes off, see? Wow, so pretty. Nice. Yes, guys. It's a little charred on mine. Roast if you know roast if you know have that little chard on it, sorry. As much as I like it steam, but if you don't have that little chard, oh, it's hot like fire. If you have that little chard on it, man, if it's fully roasted, yeah.